Ever pondered why you feel butterflies fluttering in your stomach when you see your crush? Or why your heart beats faster? Curious what's happening in your brain when you fall in love? Take a moment and think about it. These are the questions that have been stirring the human curiosity for quite some time now. Isn't it fascinating to know that these sensations, which are somewhat inexplicable, are a point to what can be a profound scenario of human existence? This is the world of love, an exciting and thrilling world where a powerful emotion has led to the creation of countless songs, epic tales, and timeless works of art throughout history. This sentiment of love, it has puzzled, it has bewildered, and it has thoroughly captivated the human race for centuries. It has been a source of inspiration. It has provided individuals with purpose, direction, and even in some cases, a reason to live. Its power is undeniable. Its influence is universal. And yet, despite it, the concept of love remains a mystery to many. What exactly happens inside our minds when those four magical words, "I am in love," start to echo? Today, we're exploring the intricacies of this enigma, diving deep into the intricate tapestry of neurochemical processes that occur within our brains when Cupid's arrow strikes us. We are going to take you through a journey of the heart and the mind, explaining step by step about the science behind those exhilarating feelings. So, as we embark upon this fascinating exploration of the human mind and heart, we invite you to fasten your seatbelts. Get ready for an engaging, enlightening, and perhaps a slightly mind-bending journey, as we explore the mechanisms and the science that make us feel what we feel when we're in love. Join us on this intriguing journey into your brain as we delve into the science behind love. Did you know your brain chemistry changes when you fall in love? Intriguing, isn't it? The feeling of love, that rush of emotions, is more than just a poetic metaphor. It's a sophisticated ballet of neurochemical processes within our brains. Let's investigate this captivating world of brain chemistry. When you fall in love, your brain releases a blend of hormones, including oxytocin, dopamine, and adrenaline. Each plays a significant role in the feeling of love. Oxytocin, often coined as the love hormone, is accountable for the warm, fuzzy feeling you experience when you're around someone you're attracted to. This hormone also strengthens the attachment between a mother and her newborn. It's a potent chemical messenger that aids in fostering trust and attachment. Next is dopamine, the feel-good hormone. When you see your beloved or even think about them, your brain's dopamine levels shoot up, causing feelings of joy and happiness. It's like a natural high, making love a genuinely addictive experience. Lastly, there's adrenaline. Do you know that heart racing, butterflies in the stomach sensation when you're near your crush? That's adrenaline activating. It's part of the body's fight or flight response, triggered by a potential reward or threat. In this context, the reward is love. These facts have been backed by multiple research studies. The flood of these hormones and their impact on our emotions and behavior are what make falling in love such a unique and intense. But it's not just about the feel-good hormones. The brain also experiences a decrease in serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation. This may explain why, when you're in love, you might obsess over your partner, as lower serotonin levels are linked to obsessive thoughts. The complexities of these chemical processes are truly fascinating. From the warm, fuzzy feelings to the obsessive tendencies, they all can be traced back to our brain chemistry. Multiple studies have supported these findings, making the experience of falling in love even more fascinating. So, the next time you feel your heart flutter when you see your crush, remember, it's not just your heart stirring or your pulse quickening. It's much more than that. It's your brain orchestrating a beautiful symphony of chemical reactions, all in the name of love. And isn't that a wonderfully romantic notion? Research suggests there are 3 stages of falling in love, each associated with specific hormones. Stage 1, or the lust stage, is driven by the sex hormones testosterone and estrogen. This occurs in both males and females. This primal urge is an integral part of our biological programming that is designed for mating and reproduction. It's the initial spark that draws you to someone, the physical attraction that sets your pulse racing and your heart skipping a beat. This initial infatuation is what first brings 2 people together and paves the way for the possibility of deeper connection. Following this stage, we move into the second stage, attraction. This is when you begin to experience those well-known flutters or butterflies in the stomach. It's a very unique stage that's like being on an emotional roller coaster. This stage is governed by 3 main hormones: adrenaline, dopamine, and serotonin. Adrenaline is the hormone that is responsible for your heart racing when you see your crush. It gets your blood pumping and sends a rush of excitement through your body. Dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good hormone, makes you feel elated and full of life, like you're walking on air. This hormone generates a sense of happiness and euphoria. Serotonin, on the other hand, sees a drop in its levels. This causes you to think about your love interest constantly, day and night, as if your mind is wired to focus on them, and them alone. Finally, after the initial whirlwind of lust and attraction, we reach the final, and perhaps most crucial stage, the attachment stage. This is the bond that keeps couples together long enough for them to have and raise children. It's the glue that binds two people together, creating a sense of belonging and security. Scientists believe there might be two major hormones involved in this feeling of attachment: oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin, often known as the cuddle hormone, deepens feelings of attachment. It makes couples feel much closer to one another after they have been intimate, fostering a sense of deep connection and unity. Vasopressin also plays a crucial role in the long-term commitment stage and is responsible for creating the bond between a mother and child, ensuring that love and care are provided unconditionally. Fascinating, isn't it? How our brain chemistry changes as we progress through the stages of love. Now that you know what happens in your brain when you fall in love, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you felt dopamine's rush admiring someone you adore, or the calming effect of oxytocin after a warm embrace? We invite you to share these moments. It's your experiences that add color to our discussions. So share your thoughts, questions, and curiosity. If you've enjoyed our exploration of love and brain, show your support by hitting like. For more insights into the human mind, hit subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Psychtrum for more intriguing insights into your brain. Thank you for joining us on this journey today.